Spyrox Stelios Fix Plate surgical technique. Color indications of plate. Advantages of variable angle locking. About varus deformity. Patient position. Incision point. Osteotomy planning and execution. Preparation. Bone spreader is used to assist in controlled manipulation and assessment during osteotomy handling. Using bone spreader soft lock. Using drill bit with quick coupling diameter 4.3 millimeters. Using depth gauge 4.5 millimeters to measure the screw length. Inserting the screw with the torque limiting screwdriver. Repeat the same process for both the screws. Now use the double drill guide sleeve to use the drill bit diameter 3.2 millimeters. Inserting the cortical bone screw diameter 4.5 millimeters. Remove the spacer and insert the 5 millimeter locking screws in remaining holes.